presentation on role of CAD/CAM in SIM. So,
Yeah,
sir,
yeah.
in today's engineering world, all the engineering design, analysis, drafting, or it may be manufacturing processes are done using CAD/CAM. So the direct link between product design and manufacturing is established with the help of CAD/CAM. So it requires a design of the product that remains in the system, and then it is converted into a process for manufacturing. CAD/CAM automatically converts design of a product into a process plan. So, sir, the CIM system includes the application of computer and communication technologies to the operational function and information processing functions starting from the other receipt through design and production to product delivery. So basically, sir, when we design in a CAD/CAM software, all the manufacturing process are planned out in the software itself, and that software is then sent to the CIM system. So then it runs the system and accordingly manufactures the product. Manufacturing engineering takes its input from the output of the design department, where process planning, tool design, and similar activities are supported by the CIM system. So now, sir, further will be carried on by Jignesh Shah.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. Go on next slide.
Aditya.
Sir, what is CAD? CAD is a computer-aided design involves creating computer models defined by geometric parameters. These models typically appear on a computer monitor as a three-dimensional representation of a part or a system of parts, which can be readily altered by changing relevant parameters. So CAD software is used to increase the productivity of the designer and improve the quality of design, improve communications through documentation, and to create a database for manufacturing. And designs made through CAD software are helpful in protecting products and inventions when used in patent applications. Next slide, Aditya. And sir, what is CAM? Computer-aided manufacturing uses geometrical design data to control automated machinery. The literal meaning of CAM is the manufacturing of the products with the aid of computers. CAM is the use of software and computer controlled machinery to automate a manufacturing process. And for you need three components for a CAM system to function. First is software that tells a machine how to make a product by generating tool parts. And second is machinery that can turn raw material into finished product. And third is post processing, converts tool parts into a language machines can understand. Next slide. What is CIM? Computer Integrated Manufacturing System. System includes the application of computer and communication technologies to all of the operational functions and information processing functions, starting from the order receipt through the design and production to product delivery. And it is also known as flexible design and manufacturing. And now the next slide is explained by Aditya.
Achha.
Yeah, so the process of manufacturing starts from the design center. As the design center studies the requirements of the people and it designs the product accordingly. The design is then a prototype is made, which is run through various testing and simulations to check whether the product is up to mark of the company. After that, a manufacturing process is decided using CAM softwares like SolidWorks, which help in reducing the cost by batch manufacturing and similar stuff. Then the products are manufactured using CNC machines or 3D printers. The pro- for large scale industries, a production line is maintained by computers. After the manufacturing is done, the supply is managed uh, by studying the demands in various areas of the country, and the supply is made accordingly.
Yeah.
Now, my friend Vineet will explain the advantages of the process.
Okay.
Hello, sir.
Yeah. Listening.
Yes, sir. The advantages of using CAD/CAM software thus it increase the productivity of the designer. It improves the quality of design. Using this software, we can also reduce the errors in the product design. It helps to create a database to study and optimize supply chains. So beside this, it is easy to develop and edit 2D and 3D images and view them from different angles. It is very realistic design can be produced to show clients what their products will look like. Uh, Product can be machined at high speed 24 hours a day. Uh, CAM gives a high quality and more reliable finish, which with no human errors. So next slide disadvantages will be explained by Bhuvan.
Okay.
So, sir, here are the disadvantages. So, sir, for India being a highly populated country, computer system decreases the employment rate and creates poverty. So, this was the main disadvantage. Other disadvantage includes that the CAD/CAM software requires a high processor computers, which are expensive, and along with this, the CAD/CAM softwares itself are very expensive to use.
Okay.
Uh, and if the computer crashes, so our work is lost, and our work can also be stolen through hacking.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
So, yeah. Very nice. Anybody from the audience want to ask anything? References are also given. Yeah. So all these 4 groups today who have presented, उनका रिपोर्ट मैं बाद में फिर से देखूंगा. उनका टर्मवर्क मार्क वगैरह सब फिक्स करना पड़ेगा ना सब. एंड रिलेटिवली जो कॉलेज ने जो नॉर्म्स दिए वगैरह वो सब करके वो बाद में करूंगा. बट ओवरऑल इट वाज दिस लास्ट 2 सेमिनार्स आर फ्लुएंट सेमिनार्स. हाँ बोलो, किसी को क्वेश्चन था ना अभी? हाँ.
Yes, sir.
प्लीज आस्क.
Sir, I have a question to the group.
Please directly ask.
Yes. How will the companies ensure that their product will cater to the customer's need and is up to their standard?
Okay, so first the CAD is made and according to the requirements of the customer, and a prototype is made for testing the environment through which the product is going through. So extensive testing and simulation make sure that the product is up to the standard.
Okay.
So, okay then. Have you got the answer? Now, other people, if you want to ask anything, please ask them. If there is no question, I am stopping the recording. Okay. So I am stopping the recording now. Recording is stopped.